Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Daily Doodles, the channel where I show you how to draw stuff. So today I'm going to show you how to draw the character Ghost the Boy from the show Summer Camp Island. So I think Ghost the Boy is a super cute character and a perfect one to draw for this Halloween season. So I'm going to start with the eyes, do a circle, and then a circle inside that. And I'm going to color this one in black. Next thing we're going to do is give a bit of space and do another circle. So we're going to do his other eye. And now the circle inside. And we can do our best to try to make sure they're around the same size, but if they're not, that's okay. It doesn't have to be perfect. We're just having fun and practicing drawing. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is a little eyebrow here and a little eyebrow up here. And now we can do a little nose, like that. And I'm going to do a little oval right here underneath each eye. It's going to be like a little bit of blush. So I'm going to color that in pink when it comes time to do the coloring. Now we can do a little mouth, and it's going to be kind of like the shape of a jelly bean. And I'll put a little hill in the mouth, just like a little tongue. And now let's do the shape of, well, I guess the body. The shape of the character. So we come on down here, and here on this side. And the bottom is just a bit wavy. And we're almost done. We have to do two little U shapes for the arms. So 1 and 2. All right, so we are done our drawing, and now I'm going to add some color. So with Ghost the Boy, there's not a whole lot of color to add. I'm just going to use a little bit of pink for the cheeks and for the nose, and then I'm going to add a little bit of color for the mouth and a bit of color in the background. All right, so we'll probably speed this part up. All right, folks, we are finished our drawing. Thank you so much for drawing with me today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I hope to see you back here tomorrow for the next Daily Doodle. Okay, folks, goodbye.